That's our campsite, the 3 cars.
All of the safety equipment.
Whoa. Pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're at Jago's house right now.
Woo!
Got the car set up.
Yep.
Got all of his stuff in there. And
GoPro at the top.
GoPro on the front there, that'll give you good view. Yeah, ready to go.
Hooked on hip-hop phonics. Yeah, it works for me, so jump aboard. Yeah, the strain is free, the conductor. Limit to my whistle, the instructor.
So we made it.
Woo! Here we are, across the mountain.
The mountain over there.
Yeah.
So please step back, iron tree. I dish deep like deep dish supreme. Step large, walk hard on a 2-man team. Gangsta lean, I'm kitchen.
Okay, we're out in the forest here. Cutting down some trees, or not down trees, cutting up dead trees so we can burn them.
TCB like Bubba Hotep, baby.
That's funny.
I'm keeping
Hey, well,
that.
Theo, you made it here. But
Yeah.
what about time? When did you leave?
I left McDonald's at 3:14.
That's good. Cutting up these pieces for make a nice fire out of it. Theo's got his dual head cam set up.
I'm not good at starting fires.
Fire going here. Probably can't see anything, too dark. But we're also making some sticks for some torches. Putting some rags on there. How's yours going?
It's going very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So we just woke up. It's what? 8:30, 9 o'clock.
Yeah, about.
Just got a fire started. Heating up our cars, drying out our clothes. He's got a great idea. He's gonna put on the AC to force Richard out of the car. See how this turns out. Richard just got up. It's like 10:30.
Yeah.
How could you sleep so long?
That's enough, Theo.
That's not even that much, Jago. Come on.
It's a quarter of a litre.
That's not a quarter of a liter. If we had more gas, it'd be like twice that.
What is that, Theo?
That sucks.
Your socks.
Yeah.
Bash them against my boot. That is Theo's socks.
Those are Theo's socks.
Those are Theo's socks. How was the camping trip, Theo?
It was good, you know. Help some people get unstuck, embarrass myself in the process.
Okay, this is probably my last little vlog here. So you can see the cars are all packed up. Fire's still going. Should be out pretty soon. Richard, you ready?
For sure, let's go.
Car's packed up. All right, there they go.